The Mahindra Thar 2025 model is a blend of rugged off-road capabilities and modern design, catering to enthusiasts who seek adventure without compromising comfort and technology. With its robust build and iconic silhouette, the Thar continues to resonate with a strong legacy while offering significant upgrades to meet contemporary needs. This off-road SUV is built on a sturdy ladder frame chassis, ensuring durability and resilience across challenging terrains. It boasts a bold and muscular design characterized by its signature 7-slat grille, round halogen headlamps, flared wheel arches, and a high ground clearance, making it instantly recognizable and purposeful. The 2025 Thar offers multiple engine options tailored to various driving preferences. It includes a 2.7-liter M-Stallion turbo petrol engine that generates an impressive 150 horsepower and 320 mph of torque. Additionally, there's a 2.7-liter M-Hawk diesel engine with 130 horsepower and 300 mph of torque, providing excellent low-end grunt for off-road enthusiasts. Both engines are paired with a 6-speed manual transmission or 6-speed torque converter automatic, offering smooth shifts and driving versatility. The 4x4 drivetrain with a low-range transfer case ensures the Thar is ready to tackle steep inclines, rocky paths, and muddy trails effortlessly. The suspension setup consists of independent double wishbone at the front and a multi-sync solid axle at the rear, ensuring a balance of ride comfort and off-road prowess. With a ground clearance of 226 mm and approach, departure, and ramp-over angles optimized for rugged terrains, the Thar is capable of wading through water depths of up to 650 m. The inclusion of an electronic brake-locking differential and a mechanical locking rear differential enhances its ability to traverse slippery and uneven surfaces. Inside, the Mahindra Thar strikes a fine balance between functionality and comfort. The cabin is designed to withstand rough conditions while offering modern amenities. The interiors feature washable materials and drain plugs, allowing easy cleaning after off-road adventures. The dashboard has a rugged yet premium appeal, with durable plastics and metal accents. A 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility takes center stage, ensuring connectivity and entertainment during long journeys. The system also includes a built-in navigation feature, making it easy to explore uncharted territories. Seating is spacious and comfortable with water-resistant upholstery and multiple adjustment options to enhance the driving and passenger experience. The rear seats, which now come with forward-facing configurations, provide more comfort compared to the earlier models. Safety has also been a significant focus in the 2025 Thar. It includes dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, ESP, hill descent control, and ISOFIX child seat mounts as standard features. Additionally, the rear parking sensors and roll cage structure ensure occupant safety during challenging situations. 5. For the first time, Mahindra has introduced a factory-fitted hardtop option in addition to the convertible softtop and fixed softtop configurations, offering buyers more customization. The hardtop enhances the Thar's overall insulation and provides added security and weather protection. The large 18-inch alloy wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires not only add to the vehicle's imposing stance, but also improve its off-road capabilities. The wide track and well-tuned suspension ensure stability even during high-speed cornering or on uneven paths. The Thar 2025 also comes equipped with advanced features such as cruise control, a multi-function steering wheel, and a semi-digital instrument cluster that displays vital information like tire pressure, fuel economy, and off-road stats. The inclusion of USB ports, a 12V charging socket, and ample storage spaces, including a lockable glove box, enhances the practicality of the vehicle. Fuel efficiency in the 2025 Mahindra Thar remains competitive, with the diesel variant delivering around 15 to 16 km/L and the petrol variant offering approximately 12 to 14 km/L under standard driving conditions. The tank capacity of 57 liters ensures a good range, especially during long road trips or off-road expeditions. The Thar's robust build quality is further complemented by Mahindra's attention to detail, ensuring minimal vibrations and noise intrusions despite its off-road orientation. The addition of roof-mount speakers enhances the audio experience, allowing passengers to enjoy their favorite music even in noisy environments. Moreover, the vehicle's air conditioning system is highly efficient, maintaining cabin comfort even in extreme weather conditions. Mahindra offers the Thar in multiple color options, including classic shades like Red Rage, Galaxy Gray, Mystic Copper, and Napoli Black, appealing to diverse preferences. The SUV also features subtle branding and design elements that pay homage to its rich heritage, while embracing modern aesthetics. Customization options such as auxiliary lights, roof racks, and skid plates allow buyers to personalize the Thar according to their needs. Overall, the Mahindra Thar 2025 stands out as a versatile SUV that combines classic ruggedness with modern conveniences. Whether it's conquering challenging off-road trails or cruising through city streets, the Thar delivers an engaging and reliable driving experience. With its extensive feature set, enhanced safety measures, and powerful engine options, the Thar continues to be an excellent choice for adventure seekers and urban dwellers alike.